Cigar wrappers come in a wide variety of colors, from the palest of greens and yellows to dark black. And just as there are 7 basic colors that make up the rainbow, there are 7 basic colors among wrappers, with an infinite number of shades in between each color. A simple way to begin to understand color designations of wrappers is to remember that just as the state of Colorado is towards the middle of the United States, the color Colorado comes in the center of the color range. Wrapper leaves vary in color due to the many methods of processing tobacco and the variety of tobacco itself. Additionally, sunlight can play a factor. A wrapper grown in sunlight is typically darker than a shade-grown wrapper of equivalent seed. From light to dark, the 7 commonly used wrapper color descriptions are double claro, also called a candela, light, slightly green color, and hue created by a quick drying process using heat that locks in the green chlorophyll on the tobacco. Flavor, slightly sweet. The leaf was quick-dried, premature leaves. Years ago, this wrapper was tremendously popular in the United States, and it was a point of amusement for Europeans. Claro. The color is very light tan or yellowish. The flavor is just very mild. These wrappers have little to offer and allow the flavor of the filler tobaccos to dominate the taste of the cigar. It's grown under canopies, most commonly achieved by growing in shade under cheesecloth tents. Colorado Claro. It's medium brown. Flavors, smooth medium-bodied leaf. It's mostly sun-grown. Colorado. It's going to be more of a reddish brown. The flavor is strong with a hint of spice, and it's usually shade-grown. Colorado Maduro. It's dark brown. The flavor is rich and aromatic. The leaf is usually grown from Cuban seed. Maduro. It's going to be dark brown or black. The shade can vary from a deep reddish brown to almost black. The flavor is smooth and rich, and the leaf is actually fermented longer to produce that deeper flavor. Maduro means mature in Spanish, which refers to the longer time needed to cure this color wrapper than the other colors lighter in origin. For Maduros, leaves are either toasted in a pressure chamber or fermented longer in above average heat. Maduro wrappers lend significant flavor to the cigar, which tends to be mild in aroma and tends to have real, robust, and sweet flavors. And Oscuro. This color is black. The flavor is very strong, and it's the top leaf of the tobacco plant. This black as night wrapper shade is achieved by leaving the leaves on the plant as long as possible, by using only leaves from the top of the plant, and by fermenting them for an especially long period of time. Oscuro wrappers are often very rough, a result of the extra fermentation. This category is sometimes referred to as black, negro, or double Maduro.